Chapter 1: The Hidden Power You Already Possess. When we think of success, we often imagine dramatic moments: the grand speech, the massive breakthrough, the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity seized in a flash of brilliance. But here's the truth that almost no one tells you. Success isn't a lightning strike. It's a slow sunrise. Every extraordinary achievement you admire, the best-selling book, the thriving business, the championship athlete, the inspiring leader, was built not through rare moments of glory, but through hundreds, even thousands, of invisible micro-moves, repeated again and again, almost quietly. You already have everything you need to change your life. You don't need a perfect plan or a wave of motivation. You need to understand this. Small is powerful when it is consistent. Why big changes often fail. Think back to a time when you made a bold resolution. Maybe you promised yourself to start exercising every morning, write a novel, launch a side business, transform your health. Chances are you began with enthusiasm. You envisioned the final result so vividly that it almost felt real. For a few days, maybe even weeks, you pushed hard. You felt alive, driven by the dream. And then, life happened. A long day at work, a family emergency, a loss of motivation. The big leap became too heavy to carry. And so, like millions of others, you slowly stopped. You didn't fail because you weren't capable. You failed because you tried to do too much, too fast, ignoring the simple mechanics of human behavior. The secret is not motivation. It's momentum. Motivation comes and goes. Willpower fades under stress. But momentum? Momentum is what you build when actions are so small they can survive even your worst days. Micro habits create momentum because they are easy to start. They are victories so tiny that failure almost feels harder than success.